English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 45.
He looks up to his brother.
He fell out with his friend. I don't get along with my sister. We've run out of milk. I won't put up with his loud music. Are you looking forward to the concert? He looks down on everyone. You came up with a great plan.
Hi, Amir. How are you doing?
Oh, Ruth, I'm having such a bad time at work. Our new manager looks down on all his staff.
Oh, no. That's awful.
He expects total respect from us, but I just can't look up to someone like him.
Have you tried to get along with him?
Of course I have. Obviously, I can't fall out with him. He's my boss. But honestly, I'm running out of patience.
That's too bad. You shouldn't have to put up with being treated like that. Maybe you should talk to one of the other managers about it. How about we meet next week to see if we can come up with a plan?
Yes, please. Do you want to meet for dinner on Wednesday?
That sounds great. See you then.
Bye, Ruth.
Look up to. Get along with. Look forward to.
I'm making a cake, but I've run out of eggs. Turn the radio down. I can't put up with that noise. Our department works well because we get along with each other. Dad came up with a great idea for Madison's birthday. Don't look down on your staff. They're just as important as you.
Juan really looks up to his teacher. Alexa is looking forward to her vacation. Trevor gets along with Pam. Michelle always comes up with good ideas. Gavin looks down on us. I can't put up with his behavior any longer.
End of lesson 45.